Hey everyone, this is just a quick video if you're new to ReceiptBank and want to be able to not only upload pictures with the mobile app from your smartphone, but also you have the ability to upload documents directly from your computer if you have a receipt that is saved on your computer. And as well, you have the ability to forward receipts from your email. So if your supplier is emailing you their invoices, you don't have to print it, take a picture of it, and submit it into ReceiptBank. You can submit it directly from your email address straight into ReceiptBank. So those are the two things we're going to go through in this quick video. I'm logged in as a user. The company that I'm logged into is listed in the top left corner. So in this case, it is Build-A-Body. And then down the left-hand side, you've got your menu, your workspaces. The only one you're really going to focus on is the costs, which is the one that is expanded. If you see, I can collapse them or expand them. We're only going to focus on the costs right now to try and get all of your receipts into ReceiptBank so that we can process them. Everything right now is blank because I don't have any information in this ReceiptBank account. By default, it brings you to the inbox, which is where we are here, and it tells you that there's nothing there. Click on the Add Costs button, and you now have the option to drag and drop things from your computer directly into ReceiptBank. Really simple. I'm on a Mac, so I have Mac icons across the bottom. You can either open up Finder, or if you're on a Windows computer, Windows Explorer, locate the file. In our case, it's in Downloads. This is the receipt that we're looking to upload, and I'll just expand it so you can see what it looks like. And basically, it's just a PDF of a bill. And that's what we're going to upload into ReceiptBank. So let's minimize this, and you just basically can drag and drop it, and it's telling you that it's uploading your items, and you'll see successfully uploaded item. If we go back to our inbox, you'll see that there still isn't anything there, but next to the in processing, you'll see the number 1. And you don't need to worry about the processing side of it. We're going to take care of that. But if you want to double check that it's in there, there we go. It shows you the name of the file. It was a really long, convoluted name, which is what it shows there. And it shows that it's queued for extraction. But on this side, the only thing you want to do is add the costs and drag and drop. That was a really simple example. It was one page of an expense receipt, and we dragged it into ReceiptBank. You have two options here, a single item file or a zip file, or multiple item PDFs. And whichever radio button you've selected, it tells you in this box what it is that you're uploading or what the format is. You can only upload PDFs or JPEGs, or a zip file that has multiple PDFs or JPEGs, as long as each PDF or JPEG is a separate receipt. You cannot upload Excel files. It won't even show us that you've uploaded something in most cases if you've uploaded it as an Excel file. So please make sure it's a PDF or a JPEG, and it does list down here at the bottom what's acceptable. So it does take docs, it just doesn't take Excel files. If you have a file that has multiple receipts in it, you're going to select this option, and you're uploading a PDF file, and basically what it'll do is every page break in this PDF file, it's going to split into a separate receipt when it uploads it. After ReceiptBank has processed the file, what it's going to do is it's going to split this PDF into multiple rows for us in order to be able to record them into your QBO file. 99% of your cases, you're going to be getting them as single item files or perhaps as a zip file, but just in case you get them as multiple, you do have that option as well. The other thing that you want to note once you're on this tab, right across the top, click on the email tab, and you have the ability to email your invoices and receipts straight into ReceiptBank. If you want to know how to do it, just click here and it gives you a great tutorial from ReceiptBank, so I'm not going to walk through that. But what is important is this email address. So you'll see here that it is a specific email address just for this employee, which is Jenna. BAB is Build-A-Body, which is the name of the company, and it has a receiptbank.me extension. When you receive an invoice from your supplier, all you have to do is forward that email to this email address, and it'll go into Receipt Bank. So really simple way of getting the email address. We usually recommend that you set up this email as a contact within your mail provider program so that you don't have to remember what it is. Type in Receipt Bank receipt submission as the name of your contact, and then anytime you want to forward a receipt, you can just bring up that contact from your email contact list. You also can set up rules, depending on what email provider you're using, to automatically forward those emails into Receipt Bank. So a couple of different ways of you getting your information into Receipt Bank and getting it to us. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and we're happy to help.